On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make $100 per hour working from home as a complete beginner. This method is one of the best methods that you can use to make money from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that you get to know everything about this method. If you are able to learn everything that I'm about to show you, you can be making money from home for the rest of your life. This method is one of the easiest, so make sure you keep on watching. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The best way to make money online is to sell your skills for money. There are a lot of different skills that are high in demand online. So what you have to do is that you have to sell your skills for money. There are a lot of different websites where you can list your skills for sale, and you are going to be getting people who will hire you to work for them. And it's one of the best methods that you can use to make money from home, because you are in control of everything. You determine the time that you work, you determine the amount that you charge, and you can work at anywhere that you want. Now, if you don't have any skills, you can acquire skills online for free. For example, if you come on this website, alison.com, on this website you can get free courses on any subject that you want. You can see free online courses with certificates and diplomas. So if you are able to learn a course on this website, you are going to be earning a certificate or a diploma, which you can use to make money from home wherever you are in the world. They have a lot of different courses that you can enroll to acquire skills so that you can use the skills to make money online. You can see they have about 4,000 plus free courses that you can join to acquire a skill for free. They have courses under IT, health, language, business, management, English, personal development, sales and marketing, engineering and construction, teaching and academics. So any kind of category that you want a course, you can click on it and then find any course that you want to learn. Once you get a course, you can enroll and then acquire a skill. Once you acquire the skill, you are going to be using that skills to make money online, and you can use that skills to make money online for the rest of your life. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to be selecting the sales and marketing category, because that is one of the categories that is high in demand online. So click on it so that you can find a course that you can enroll to acquire a skill. Once you click on it, you can see these are courses that you can enroll for free. And the best part is that many people have enrolled in the course and they have acquired the skill, meaning the courses are good. You can see there are a lot of different courses that you can enroll to acquire a skill. You can, if you click right here, more, you will see a lot of different courses that you can enroll to acquire a skill. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different courses. You can see they have them in pages up to 18 pages. So if you click page 10, there are a lot of different courses that you can learn. You can see they have YouTube marketing. You can see skills for speaking effectively. You can see introduction to Bing SEO and the rest. There are a lot of different digital skills that you can acquire on this website for free. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see digital advertising and marketing. That is one of the categories that is high in demand. So you can enroll in the course and then learn for free. Now what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be showing you one of the best courses that you can enroll to acquire skills and then use it to make money online. So we can search for a course right here. Let's search for social media marketing. Let's search for social media marketing. So when you click on social media marketing, you can search for social media manager. You can search for social media management. Any of them that you search for, you are going to get a course which you can join for free. So let's search for social media marketing. Once you search for it, you can see a whole lot of different courses under social media marketing. As a school, you can see many of them. What you have to do is that you have to enroll in the course. Once you enroll in the course, you can be able to learn how to use social media for marketing. Once you learn the skills, you don't need to have your own product. You can find other people to employ you and then you'll be working for them. If you want, you can use it for affiliate marketing. You can use it for CPA marketing. You can use it to do anything online so that you can be making money. They have a lot of different pages of courses under social media marketing. You can see they have up to 53 pages. So if you keep on clicking, you'll find courses under social media marketing that you can enroll and then acquire a skill. You can see if you want a specific social media network, you can select it and then find courses. You can see Twitter, they have about 5 courses. Facebook marketing, they have about 5 courses. Facebook ads, they have about 5 courses. Social media market, 29 courses. SEO, they have about 7 courses. Social media, 42. LinkedIn, they have about 7 courses. YouTube, 6 courses. Instagram marketing, 5 courses. Internet marketing, 8 courses. If you click on view more, there are other subcategories that you can find a course to learn. Once you enroll in the course, you can acquire the skills. Once you acquire the skills, you are going to be using it to make money online. So just select any of the social media courses and then join. Once you join, some of them are 2 hours, some of them are 3 hours. It does not matter. Just take your time and then acquire the skills. Once you acquire the skill, you can then use it to make money online. I will leave a link to this website at the description so that you can click on it and then join. Once you join, you are going to find the course that you want so that you can join and then acquire a skill. Once you acquire the skills, I'm going to show you websites that you can sell your skills for money. One website that you can sell your skills is legit.com. On this website, you can list your skills for sale. People come here to hire people who can do a lot of different things for them. Some people hire social media marketing managers, others hire people who can run Facebook ads. Any kind of skill that you want, you can see the categories. If you have a skill under graphics and design, you can list it here for sale. SEO, you can list it. Internet marketing, you can list it. Video editing, audio services, programming and technology, business, writing, e-commerce, AI services, any skill that you have, you can list it on this website and people are going to be hiring you. You can see this person, for example, social media SEO campaign. That is the services that this person rendered to people and he's taking them money. You can see the starting amount is $13. You can see the number of reviews that the fellow got. The fellow had 1,784 reviews. That means more than 1,784 people bought his services and they have returned to give the fellow a 5-star rating, meaning the fellow has been able to perform the task very well. So if you multiply $13 by this amount, you will get to know the amount the person is earning. And apart from that, not all the people who bought the services are able to come back and give a review. Some of them bought the services but they have not returned to give a review. You can see this person is also selling the services and the social media marketing, and the fellow has had 1,934 reviews, meaning the people who bought the services and they returned to give their reviews. The fellow is charging $10. So if you multiply $10 by this number of people, you get to know the amount the person has earned. There are many of them. So when you scroll down, you can see many people offering different services. You can see a whole lot of different people who are selling different services. What you have to do is that you have to also list your service on the website. Do not say it is saturated. The quality of service that you render will determine the number of people who will hire you. If you get your first client and you are able to serve him or her well, the fellow can give you a good review. Once the fellow gives you a good review, that review is going to attract people to hire you. And if you keep on giving good services, you get good reviews, and those good reviews will attract more clients to you. That is what you have to do. You have to give quality services so that you can attract clients. Apart from legit.com, you can also come on upwork.com. Once you come on Upwork, you can also list your services here for sale. You can see many people have listed different services. You can see Pinterest marketing expert. This person is charging from $50. You can see another person here, Facebook conversion API. The fellow is charging $50. Another person $50. When you scroll down, you can see this person, Facebook Meta Pixels and Conversion API setup. The fellow is charging $50. And you can see they are getting positive reviews. You can see this fellow has 5-star rating. This one has 4.9 rating. You can see the fellow is a TikTok expert and the fellow is charging from $30. So there are a lot of different websites where you can sell your skills for money. What you have to do is that you have to first of all acquire the skill, and it is free to acquire the skill. So just go on the website, enroll in the course. Once you enroll in the course, you can learn the skills. Once you learn the skills, come on upwork.com or legit.com, list your gigs. Once you list your gig, you get people to hire you. Apart from Upwork, you can also come on Fiverr. Once you come on Fiverr, there are a lot of different categories that you can list your services for free. So you have to select the kind of category that you want. Once you select the category, go on alesson.com, acquire the skills, and then come back, list your services for sale. Once you list your services, you get people to hire you. You can see they have graphic and design, they have programming and technology, digital marketing. Under digital marketing, you can see the subcategories. So just select one of these categories, go on alesson.com, learn about it. Once you learn about it, you can come back and then list your services for sale. They have video and animation, and the video and animation you can see a whole lot of them. All these services that you are seeing, when you go on alesson.com, you can acquire the skills for free. You don't need to pay for anything. So make sure you go and acquire the skills. Once you acquire the skills, you can then use the 3 websites that I've shown you to make money from home. The best part is that once you acquire the skills, it is going to be with you forever. You can be using it to make money on different websites apart from the 3 websites that I've shown you. You can go on Facebook and then pitch people so that they can hire you to offer them the skills that you have. Once you offer them the skills, you can charge them at any amount that you want so that you can be making money from home. You don't need to pay for anything. Just go and sign up for an account on alesson.com, acquire the skills. I will leave a link to alesson.com in the description of this video, so make sure you check and then sign up for a free account so that you can acquire digital skills for free. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.